Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this we are going to see how we can create product loan. So for example, let's say mobile. So mobile loan, how we can create? Just have a look. So setup, master setup. I will go to the product scheme. So here I need to click on the create scheme, and here I will select product, and let's say scheme name is mobile product loan. So any code here, scheme description you can write. Then I will go to the rate of interest. So here the flexible rate of interest also you can mention. So I will mention here 12% yearly, and tenure will be let's say for 3 months. So here maximum and minimum tenure also you can mention here 3 to 6 months. Then I will go to the calculation logic. So here calculation method I will select, let's say runtime interest. So runtime interest will be calculated on the runtime basis. So I will select you can also amount also the product loan amount. So here I will not write, I will write when we disburse the loan. So just save this product scheme. I will close this. Now let's go to the master setup, master data. Then here in a mobile you can see mobile make. So which what is the mobile make name? So let's say Samsung. Let's create. Then mobile model. Mobile model you can write, let's say Galaxy 12. Samsung C12. Then mobile color. So you can mention here mobile color white and just create. So like this we can fill up all the details of the mobile and save. Now let's search one customer from the search bar F-6. Now let's go to the loan, and here I will select mobile product loan. So here you can see all the information we need to mention, and here main details. So mobile, I will select mobile, then making Samsung, model is Samsung Galaxy 12, color white. So making here you can mention here, and registration details. So you can mention all the details here, product class, product number, serial number. Then any dealer, if you are disbursing loan through the dealer, you need to mention here the dealer party name. And the commercial, so here product price. So let's say product is of 18,000, discount given of 2,000, and down payment is let's say 5,000. So finance amount you can see here 11,000. So I will just add to the draft. So all the information you can see here, and I will just 11,000 loan amount here, principal amount you need to mention. Then 12% yearly runtime interest for 3 months. So just calculate this here and just save from. So you can for a backdated, for example, let's say on a 28 March, just save. Loan number 14 is saved. So here you can search this loan from the search bar, loan number 14. So here you can see this will be calculated on the runtime basis, daily basis. So here 90